here total number of outcomes is equal to number of balls recorded. We have a record of 30 balls, so that is equal to 30. Number of balls recorded, that is equal to 30. Boundary hit is equal to 6 times. So boundary not hit. Yes or no? 30 minus 6 is equal to 24 times the boundary has not been hit. And now probability of not hitting a boundary, probability of not hitting a boundary. Yes or no? Number of times boundary not hit upon total number of outcomes. Am I right, children?
Yes, sir.
Is equal to what? Tell me. 24 upon 30. That is what?
30.
3 8s are 3 10s are.
4 upon 5.
Or else you can have 4 upon 5. Or also it could be 0.8. Any of the possible options. If the options are given. If not given, you can keep it to 8 upon 10 or 24 upon 30, 4 upon 5, 0.8. Any one you can keep. Any one you can keep. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Question number 2. I'm writing the question. Look, wait here. Pay attention. Question number 2. 1,500 families with two children. They have taken the record of only those families who are having 2 children. Okay. Some families may have one child or 3 childs. That is not over here. They are only considering those families which have exactly 2 children. And in that, they have checked how many families have got 2 girl childs. That is number of girls in a family, 2 means both. Now tell me here, in 814 families, there is 1 girl in the family. Means what? Means what, you tell me? 3 children. There are exactly 2 girls. Exactly 2 children, sorry. And out of 2 children, if one is the girl, means obviously other one is a boy. Are you understanding? So 1 girl, means it is actually 1 girl and 1 boy.
Sir.
1 girl means actually 1 girl and 1 boy. And 0 girls means what? What does this indicate? 0 girls?
2 boys.
Exactly. That means this family has
There
got
are only 2 boys.
Exactly. Because we have definitely checked only those families who are having 2 children. That's what I've told you. Yes or no, children?
Yes.
So let us do it. Probability of family chosen having 2 girls, 1 girl, no girl. Okay. First we'll do for this and then I will give you few more questions on the same question. So solution. We know that if you want, you can write the formula. It is better if you write every time. P of E is equal to number of times E occurs upon total number of outcomes. Number of times E occurs upon total number of outcomes. So number 1, probability of a family with 2 girls is equal to कितना रे?
475
upon 1500.
If you are reducing it, then 5 9s are 45, 95 upon 300. On reducing further, 19 upon 60. 19 upon 60. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
P of family with one girl. They are asking 2 girls, 1 girl and no girls. With 1 girl, how many? 814 upon 1500. Okay, I'm not going to reduce it further. I want to keep it as it is because I have to check whether the total probability is 1. So I can keep it as it is also. Family with 0 girls. 211 upon 1500. And we have to check the sum of the probabilities. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sum of these probabilities is equal to 475 upon 1500 plus 814 upon 1500 plus 211 upon 1500. Is equal to 475 plus 814 plus 211. Common denominator is 1500 is equal to, obviously it's going to be 1500 upon
1500.
1500. Yes or no? Is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sum
sir.
of these probabilities is definitely going to be 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Probability of family with 1 boy is how much? How many families are having only 1 boy?
1500 minus 81.
814 families. Because 814 families are having 1 girl, na? 1 girl means the other one is a boy. Obviously 1 boy. Yes or no?
Yes.
See na, 2 children are there. Out of which family will have 1 boy? Obviously that family which has got 1 girl. So that the 2 children will be completed, 1 boy and 1 girl. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So probability of family with 1 boy is nothing but the probability of family with 1 girl. And that is nothing but 814 upon 1500. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, probability of family with no boys means what? Which families are with no boys?
475.
470 means the families with 2 girls. Both the children are girls means there is no boy in the family. Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me, what is the last one? Probability of family with what?
2 boys.
2 boys. And which are the families with 2 boys?
2, 1. Probability of family.
With 0 girls. Correct. 211 upon 15. Now you understand what I'm trying to say. Complete it. Complete it. So in any ways they can ask you the question in the exam. You must be able to answer it. Are you understanding, children, what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
So we have to understand the meaning of the question. When they are saying families with 2 children and one is girl, means obviously the second has to be boy, because they themselves have said that the families are having 2 children. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Question number 3, refer to example 5, section 14.4, chapter 14. Acha, so what is the chapter 14? I will have to check. Which is the chapter 14? Statistics. जाने दो, किया नहीं है हम लोगों ने. Let it be. We will directly go with question number. We will directly go with question number 4. Third question is not there. Question number 4. Again, I am giving it, don't worry. And we are going to solve some few more extra questions on this also. Three coins are tossed simultaneously. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously with the frequencies of different outcomes. Outcome has 3 heads, 2 heads, and no head. Outcome will be 3 heads, 2 heads, 1 head, and no head. Tell me, children, now you tell me 3 heads. Okay, 3 heads means what? All the 3 coins are falling heads. 2 heads means what?
Means one is
1 will be what?
Tail.
one, the other is tail.
Exactly. So when they are saying 2 heads, means indirectly they are telling us that 2 times head and 1 time tail, because 3 coins are tossed. Because the number of coins tossed are 3. Can you check that?
Yes, sir.
Means what we are going to do over here is that 3 coins. Suppose I am having 2, one more friend is having 1 coin. We are tossing 3 coins simultaneously. And head, head, and head. All 3 are head. Or else, mine is head, his is also head, but my second coin fell tail. So it is what? 2 heads and 1 tail, or 2 heads and 1 tail, or 2 heads and 1 tail. Like that also it can happen. So 3 heads, then 2 heads, 1 tail. 1 head means what?
Two tails.
Remaining 2 are tails. And no heads means what? All the 3 coins fell as tail, tail, and
All
tail.
are
Are you
tail.
understanding?
Yes.
Good,
Yes, sir.
good, good. Now you look here and tell me, compute the probability of 2 heads coming up. तो 2 head का probability क्या रहेगा? अरे how many times 2 heads?
72 upon 100.
200. 72 upon
72 times.
7. So what is the probability? 72 upon 200. Yes or no? Total outcomes
Yes.
are
Yes, sir.
200. 72 upon 200. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, okay. First we'll complete this part and then I will ask you the extra questions. You will be answering it. Just as we did for that upper girls wala case and boys wala case. So again, in my solution, we are going to write, we know that probability of E is equal to number of times E occurs upon total number of outcomes. So now number 1, probability of getting 2 heads is equal to what? Number of times 2 head occurs upon total number of outcomes. How many?
72 upon 200.
72 upon 200. (72 upon 200 is equal to what, Ray, actually? If I reduce 36 upon 100, है ना? 0.36 you can write. You can write it as 0.36. Clear? Now tell me,
Yes, sir.
P of getting two tails means what? When will you get two tails? Two tails means what?
When there's one head.
One head.
Exactly, yes. P of getting two tails means P of getting one head, because two are tails means remaining one will be head, and that is how many times now?
77 upon 200.
77 upon 200. Very good answer. Now I'm asking a different question. P of getting all tails means what?
28 upon 200.
Very good. Means what?
P of getting no head.
no head. Very good. Is equal to 28 upon 200. Very nice. An interesting question. Very interesting question. P of getting all the results same. See here what I'm asking. P of getting all the results same means what? Means what?
P of getting three heads.
Okay. So what is the answer?
23 upon 200.
I am sorry, the answer is wrong. Why wrong? Tell me. Or let me say the answer is incomplete. Now you will understand when I say incomplete.
Because there are 3 tails also.
So what is that? Either 3 heads or 3 tails. Means either 3 heads or no head. 23 plus 28 you have to do. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Are you, because when it is no head means all 3 are tail, and what did I say? All results must be same. I didn't say I want all of them to be head. I said all should be same. So all heads are also okay with me. All tails are also okay with me. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So P of getting 3 heads or 3 tails, that is going to be 23 plus 28 upon 200. Am I right now? Are you understanding how they can trick us?
Yes.
How many?
Yes.
51? 51
Yes,
upon
sir.
200? Here?
Yes, sir.
Are we understanding, children, what we are doing?
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. Next question number, let me check, 5. Okay. Interesting question. Very big question. I am writing the question, don't worry. An organization selected 2,400 families at random and surveyed them. So total families are 2,400. Yes or no?
Yes.
Huh. So then they have selected to determine relationship between income level and number of vehicles in a family. So monthly income and then number of vehicles in vehicles, monthly income in rupees and vehicles per family. Okay, let me check how it is. Monthly income vehicles per family is right. This only 0, 1, 2 and above. Okay. Fine. Now suppose find the problem that family chosen is earning 10 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly 2 vehicles. So tell me 10 to 13,000 and exactly 2 vehicles. Check na 10 to 13,000 and exactly 2 vehicles. How many families?
29 upon 2,400.
29 upon 2,400. Very good. Earning 16,000 or more. Earning 16,000 or more and owning exactly 1 vehicle. 579 upon 2,000.
79 upon 2.
Correct. Very good. Next. Less than 7,000 and does not own any vehicle.
10
10
upon 2,400.
2,400.
Very good. Very good. Earning 13,000 to 16,000 and owning more than 2 vehicles.
25
25
upon 2,000.
2,400.
Correct. And last, very important. Owning not more than 1 vehicle. Read carefully. Not more than 1 vehicle. Means which are allowed and which are not allowed. Huh?
0 and 1.
Are allowed. Exactly. These last 2 are not allowed. That is 2 vehicles wale people and about 2 are not allowed because they are owning more than. We want not more than 1 vehicle. Means those who are owning 0 vehicles or those who are owning 1 vehicle. Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. Chalo, start doing it. Start writing. I'm going to write it here only first. Later on I will copy and paste it again. Solution. We know that probability of E is equal to number of times E occurs upon total number of outcomes. Before that I had to write one statement. Before that one statement was to be written here. 2,400 families are surveyed. So total number of outcomes is equal to 2400. This we need to understand at the beginning itself. Now, number 1, probability of earning. Rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly 2 vehicles. And owning exactly 2 vehicles is equal to what? 10 to 13,000 and exactly 2 vehicles. How many?
29 upon 2004.
Correct. 29 upon 2400. So complete the remaining parts. Now you know what is to be written. Probability of earning 16,000 or more per month and owning exactly 1 vehicle. कितना रे?
579 upon 2004.
Correct. 579 upon 2400. And does not own any vehicle. Probability of, how many you said?
10 upon 2000.
Okay, fine. Upon 2400. Okay. Completed. Number 4. Probability of earning 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owning more than 2 vehicles. How much, Ray?
25 upon 2400.
Upon 2400.
Upon 2400. Correct. Probability of owning not more than 1 vehicle. Now this is interesting. A is equal to 10 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus, है ना? 160, 305 plus and so on plus 579. Addition of these 2 columns. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Divided by 2400 is equal to 10, 11, 12, 14. 14 plus. Add those 2 columns. Tell me 14 plus how much upon 2400? 14 plus what? Add beta. 9 and 9, 18 plus 10, 28. 6 and 2, 8, and 3, 11. 11 plus 6, 17 plus 7, 24. 5 and 2, 7 and 4, 11. 11 and 5, 16. 19, 20. 2048. Is it? Is equal to kitna? 2062 upon.
20.
Is it 2062 upon 2400?
Yes, sir.
एक बार आंसर चेक करो whether our addition is correct. पीछे आंसर चेक करो. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. Let me check. 25 plus 27, 52 plus 29, 52, 82, 81. 81 plus 59, 60, 140. 140 plus 82, 200 and 222 plus 2, 24 plus 125 plus 25, 50 plus 88. 250 plus 88, 250 plus 88, 333, 333, 338 plus 2062. Yes, correct. 2062 is right answer. Correct. Have you understood, children, what we are doing? Are we understanding the
Yes,
parts?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. Let us go for the next question, which is that question number 6. Refer to the table. नहीं करना है हमको. Question number 7. So easy. So very easy. Who likes statistics? Who do not like statistics? Straightforward is the answer. Tell me fast. I will take here only now. I think this we will solve as the last question and stop for the day. Such a easy question is this. Straightforward. Directly you're going to write the answer, children. Survey of 200 students was conducted. So what is the total number of students? Total number of outcomes?
200.
200.
200. How many like statistics?
135.
135.
And how many dislike?
135.
65.
65.
60.
So what is the probability that the students will like
135
135 upon
200.
200.
and dislike?
65 upon 200.
Chalo, kar do complete. Complete it. Complete it. I'm writing it in a blue color, red color now. Last answer for the day. We know that P of E is equal to number of times E occurs upon total number of outcomes. So number 1, probability that student chosen at a random. So the student likes statistics. कितना बोले आप लोग? 135. 135 upon 2 100. See that the student does not like. How many? 65 upon 200. Yes or no? Simple question it was.
Yes, sir.
Let me check what is the next question. Is it as simple as this? Refer activity छोड़ दो. Now 14 सब they are all talking everything about chapter 14. चलो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. 4 questions from chapter 14 and question number 11. Fine. Only this much is left. So right. Okay. So what we will do is that tomorrow, Monday, will be the last day, 28th December. So that 3 days I can now give you holiday, 29, 30 and 31. 3 days you all can enjoy. Year end, Christmas, jo samajhna hai wo samjho. I will complete probability tomorrow and we will go on a break. Yes, important. NCERT exemplar probability sums you all are going to solve straight away. There are lot of sums in the NCERT exemplar. See to it that you all are solving those NCERT exemplar sums. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Start solving NCERT exemplar straight away. And I am giving you 3 days of holidays. See to it that you all are revising the things, remaining parts. And then once you come back in the new year, come fresh, rejuvenated. Tomorrow is a tuition. Don't think that today only I have given you holidays. Tomorrow, one day, we are meeting again. In these 3 days, enjoy, relax, come fresh on 1st of Jan again. Goodbye, all of you.
Bye, sir.
Say bye.
Bye, Sena. Bye. Bye. Bye.